Talofa lover, and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we have some Samoan phrases for you to learn Samoan, and they will be around the theme of transportation. Our first Samoan phrase to do with transportation is "E whaawhiwhia nā e sau." E whaawhiwhia nā e sau. How did you come? How did you get here? E whaawhiwhia nā e sau. Our second Samoan phrase for transportation is "Nā pu'e mai le pasi." Nā pu'e mai le pasi. I caught the bus. Have you caught a bus in Samoa? It's an amazing experience. So if you haven't, definitely try it. So for those of you who don't know, Measina Treasures of Samoa have been in business since 2015. We have just launched a few of our new designs for our online store, and this is our crop top hoodie, which is one of the designs. So if you're interested in purchasing a Samoan theme to either Samoan wording or designed by Samoan clothing gifts, then click the link in the description for our online store. Now back to our Samoan phrases. So our next Samoan phrase in regards to transportation is "Nā o sau I le ta'awale." Nā o sau I le ta'awale. I came in the car, or I came in a car. I arrived here or I came by the car, via the car, in a car. Yes, I came in the car. And our next Samoan phrase for transportation is "Nā o lele mai I le wa'alele." Nā o lele mai I le wa'alele. I flew here on an airplane. So if you have enjoyed our video, please give it a thumbs up. If you learned something new, make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you were listening to what we said in the video, tell us in the description what a ta'awale is. Ta'awale. Tell us in the description what a ta'awale is in English. Thank you so much for joining us here on Measina Treasures of Samoa. Have a great day. Tō whāsoi fua.